Good evening, October 22nd, 2021. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here. We have enough waves down to call this a completed A wave here. So far so good on this, which I was looking at yesterday. This fifth wave did go just a little bit lower. That's not a problem at all. Just sort of extended lower there. So I do anticipate though that this is the bottom of A. So there's A right there with our 5 waves down. We should now come up in a B wave here. And so that's what we're going to be looking at probably this weekend, tomorrow, and maybe just tomorrow, maybe tomorrow and Sunday, we'll see. And then that will be followed by a C wave down then afterwards. So we have to see how high this B wave goes. We should get 3 waves up, something that looks like that, to a B, and then from the B, wherever that is, we'll get 5 waves down in the C wave. So once A and B are in place, we can get a target for C. Until then, we're just kind of waiting for this B to play out. And usually, B waves are tricky. They don't necessarily go to one specific fib or anything, but you can use the 0.5 fib as sort of a guide, right? So I would expect us to get probably at least to that 0.5. If it wanted to be really shallow, maybe the 382 here, but no matter what it does, it's probably going to do it in 5 waves. So it really wouldn't be shocking either to see it get up a little higher into this region, but I mean, B waves can get kind of as high as they want. You even sometimes have those expanded flat corrections where the B wave goes above this wave up here. I don't anticipate that to be the case this time. I think once we break this high, the FOMO buying is going to be enough to keep launching it upwards. So I don't really anticipate that being the case this time. I think we'll probably get high enough to the point where some late shorters here are feeling some real pain, and they'll stop out of their positions, potentially above these highs here. And so this region right here, kind of between the 618 and the 0.5, logically makes a lot of sense for the B wave to go to. So we may see, 0.5 down to 382 and then up to the 618 or something along these lines here. But generally in this sort of 64K area is what I anticipate. Doesn't mean that that's what it's going to do. Like I said, I mean, we could see, if we see just a straight up A like this, and then B down and B, and then a C up, I mean, it could get a double top here before doing 5 waves down. I mean, that's possible too. So anyway, like I said, just gonna have to see how this plays out. But I think we really should be getting a bounce here based on the fib, the Elliott waves, and also based on these indicators. The PPO is very, very overbought. The RSI is overbought right now. Looks like we've got kind of testing this RSI downtrend right as we speak. So if we break through that, it's a no-brainer. We're going up to a B wave for sure. If we bounce down from here, I mean, I suppose it's possible that it just continues dying, but at this point, the ball is really in the bull's court for at least a temporary bounce. All right, so that's what I'm looking at there, and we'll see what the rest of the weekend brings. All right, good night, everybody.